Hey you guys, Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you once again with another unboxing. So enjoy and let's get to it. If y'all can guess what the unboxing is. Okay guys, here it is. Overdue, past due. It's a mask unboxing. Check this out. Freddy Kruger Deluxe mask. I wanted to get one of the silicone masks, Freddy masks, but I wasn't going to pay no $300 for no mask because that's stupid. This one's even got Velcro. Check it out. You can Velcro it. Awesome. You know, it's not 100% accurate detail, but with a little bit of paint, I'm pretty sure it can become an accurate mask. Let's try it on and hope it's not super tight on me to where it hurts my hair like the Michael Myers mask. So, check it out. It's got a long neck. New Line Cinemas production. Freddy Kruger Adult Deluxe Collector's Edition Latex Mask. Check out the artwork on the tag. So let's dig into this mask. It's a just fairly decent thickness, like a Michael Myers mask, run of the mill. Let's try this thing on and see how it looks. Doesn't look that bad. Tuck it in. Velcro it up. Looks badass. 1, 2, ready, coming on you. 3, 4. Oh shit. Like it better with it unbuckled in the back, because with it Velcroed, I mean, it's super tight around the neck. It makes my head want to do like that. Awesome, guys. Little bit of work on this. A little bit of paint work and bring out the detailing. Like that, some weathering. The teeth look awesome, actually. Mouth movement, not really any kind of, hey there guys, hey Ken. The eyes could be a little bit more smaller, but of course, guess they legally got to make it big enough where you can see. Teeth look spot on. Check it out, guys. We will be doing some costume shots here, and enjoy the costume shots. I ain't got the pants or the boots on because I'm in my regular work clothes, but I threw the coat or the sweater on, the hat, and the glove. For a cheap mask, this mask looks pretty decent. Looks good. It'll look real good at night. Here's my Ruby's glove. I welded onto it because solder won't stick to it. I welded it and I got the Wells Lamont glove. Did all that. The rivets broke, so I had to use nuts and bolts. So I'm gonna weather these up. It'll look fine for what I need it for. It ain't gotta be 100% accurate. It's just gotta be good looking. Ah! Thanks for watching, guys.